This is the Yolo Live in-stream. It's the first and only solution to professionally stream video content to vertical platforms such as TikTok and Instagram. The main question I want to answer today is it just a cool new toy, or can video professionals use this to make money in their business? If you are a gold member in this channel, I'm going to tell you exactly how to make money with this product and how to position it as an upsell to your client. Let's do this. Roll that intro. Welcome to Flash Film Academy's Flash 5, where I'll be unboxing the product and asking 5 questions to get to one answer. Can you make money with the Yolo Live in-stream? Disclaimer. The in-stream was provided to me by Yolo Live, but if it's trash, I'm gonna tell you it's trash. I'm gonna be real with you, straight up. Now, before we get into these 5 questions, let's unbox this unit and talk about why you would even need something like this. Let me be clear, vertical video ain't going nowhere. It's here to stay. And companies with massive Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook followings would highly benefit from going live vertically. Let's not only spark the idea in our clients' minds, but let's also provide a cinematic solution to that idea. So what is the in-stream? Yolo Live states that it is the first and only all-in-one multi-cam vertical live streaming studio, giving you the ability to use high-end cameras and quality audio equipment with graphics, chroma keying, and tons of other features we'll get to later in the video, all while streaming to multiple vertical platforms at once. There's something that's very important. Keep in mind that Instagram and TikTok don't typically allow you to use anything other than your phone to live stream. I know there's a lot of software and other loopholes that will help you do this, but they all go against Instagram's terms and services and could cause your account to be banned for life. Can you imagine live streaming for a client illegally or unethically, and you cause them to have their accounts deleted? We're talking about all of their followers, ads, chat automations gone because you wanted to cut corners. This device prevents that. In fact, if your competition is using unethical methods, this should be an upsell. When I say unethical methods, let me kind of talk about that, because I mean a device other than the phone. There are 2 reasons this is the most ethical approach. First, technically, the in-stream is an Android device, so it runs a real version of Instagram and TikTok. And most importantly, Yolo Live has developed the relationships with Instagram and TikTok to make sure that this is a legal, ethical approach to streaming on their platforms. In the future, they plan on adding many more apps like Facebook, Zoom, Skype, and a bunch of other apps you use to stream live. I'm crossing my fingers hoping they add Snapchat. As for what's in the box, this unit comes with a screen protector, a user manual, a charging cable, but not the block, a sturdy cold shoe mount with an Allen key to adjust the mount, a SIM card key to remove the SIM card tray. If you're interested in finding the current price, go ahead and click that link below. First, let's talk about key features. Let's start with the provided ports with this unit. On the right side, you get 2 HDMI ports and a USB port for webcams. I think their new Verticam would be perfect here. You also have an Ethernet port for a hardwire connection, though it also has built-in Wi-Fi and 4G LTE. We have an HDMI out. I love that because when I'm doing events, I can also send streams to larger monitors. Last but not least, on this side, you have the charging port. If you're a gold member, I'll show you how to add an additional HDMI port to this device. On the other side, we have our 4G LTE SIM card slot, an SD card slot that's used to load graphics, PDFs, video files, and more. It's also where your recorded shows will live once you're done going live. Next, we have a line in and a mic jack. It's great if you have an audio mixer. Perfect for those of you who are filming a podcast or speaking event. What's dope is you can use audio from each camera and have additional audio sources, then mix them together with the audio source you're pumping inside the line in. So you can essentially use your cameras as inputs and mix it in this device. You also have headphone jacks to monitor the audio. And you can stream at 1080p at 60 frames per second. This all-in-one encoder, switcher, monitor is fully touchscreen with a battery life over 3 hours. It's loaded with key features like picture-in-picture, chroma key support, graphic overlays, lower thirds, tickers, countdown timers. If you're a fan of the Yolo Box Live, it brings all of those features over. Next, let's talk about some major pros. What's dope is it uses the real Instagram app, so you lose no functionality. It's compact and easy to use, and it's the true definition of being mobile. With a built-in battery and LTE support, it's smooth and stable. I love the fact that it's designed to run multiple shows, so you can create settings for each show that you have. The thing I love about Yolo Live is that they always underpromise and over-deliver. What I mean is that you buy this device based on the features it currently has, and you wake up one day with a new firmware with 10 new features. This company drops more firmware updates than anybody, and I love it. Next, let's talk about cons. And I'm gonna be real, there aren't many. This device is the first of its kind, and they got it right. The only thing I wish it had was the ability to use alpha videos as overlays instead of green screen videos. That's all I need. Yolo, if you guys are listening, that's all I need. I need the ability to use alpha videos as my motion graphics on top of my videos as a layer. That's it, and I'm sure that can come with a firmware update. Up next, let's talk about who this item is for and when should you consider grabbing something like this. This item is for streamers, of course, but video production specialists who cater towards a forward-thinking client base. Those who understand the importance of Instagram and TikTok in today's world. Companies who currently use these platforms to market. If you have clients that have a large TikTok or Instagram following, this product needs to be in your tool bag. Up next, let's talk about the benefits to the client. One of the problems that I run into when working with streaming clients is, where will we stream? Where will the stream be seen at? Where can their clients view it? Well, now we can show it on your IG or your TikTok page. Wedding videographers who want to offer their clients the ability to stream their wedding to their Instagram page. Those who live stream funerals, we can now stream in more places with this device. That may sound crazy, but it's a lot easier to direct people to your Instagram page rather than sending them to some website that they don't normally follow you on. And these days, about 75% of all video consumed is consumed vertically. It's an important stat you need to remember to pitch to your client. All right, I'm not giving away no more of them good stats. You gotta be a gold member to get the rest. Let's talk about final thoughts. I love what they achieved here. Finally, a professional, legal method to bring quality multicam live streaming to both Instagram and TikTok. Yolo Live saw a gap in the industry and they addressed it by first developing a relationship with these platforms to better understand their terms and services, then creating hardware to live within those parameters. If you have a forward-thinking client, this is a cheap investment that should pay for itself before you even deliver the product. Take it from me, I was not always a fan of vertical video. However, I understand it's here to stay. And as a content creator that offers a service, we need to be ahead of the curve. This is the type of product that help us provide innovation to our clients. Honestly, I wish vertical streaming was available in the original Yolo Box Pro. However, I understand that due to limitations of the terms and services of Instagram and TikTok, it may not have been possible. I do hope that Yolo Live provides us with a seamless solution to use both at the same time. I love the ability to somehow auto format content to work across both platforms. If you're interested in this product, check out the link below. And if you're a gold member, check out the gold version of this video where I will discuss how I would make money with the in-stream, as we go into details about the upsell offers the device provides. If you are not a gold member, feel free to join us using the link below. It's a community of content creators that are looking to turn their passion into profit. As always, be inspired, be creative, be profitable. Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you like content like this, click the link on the screen and go over to flashfilmacademy.com. We have a membership that will give you access to 300 plus hours of content designed to help you grow your business. That's all we talk about. Click that link, start your trial. We even have premium courses, contracts, and templates, all for the business side of this industry. You can go somewhere else to learn how to take pretty pictures, but when you're ready to get that bag, when you're ready to do this for a living, that's where Flash Film Academy comes into play. All right, see you in the next video.